So hi, I'm Meenakshi Bhattacharjee and I am General Manager Human Resources. I take care of the talent management, learning and development and employee engagement wellness piece. Well, I've joined Kalpataru 10 months ago and it's been a very interesting journey. It's been very fast, in fact. 10 months have just passed by. There's a lot that I've learned and there's a lot that I've even contributed to the company. I would tell you a little about the culture that I've experienced and that in Kalpataru. So, the culture is pretty humble. If you look at the people out here, they're pretty humble. They are people who are very shy when it comes to media, when it comes to publicity. There's no air about them. They're very approachable guys. Apart from that, you would find people to be very detail oriented. Guys who are very professional, very they get into details of everything. Experts in their own areas. Yeah, there are some flip sides about it because there are certain decision making which gets slowed down because of that. Too much of detailing that gets into it. Lot of respect given to people around. So that's the kind of culture that you'll see. When we look for people, when we hire people, we definitely look for compatibility with culture, and that's something that we look for in our new joinees. So we go for people who are stable, who work with different companies and who are not looking at just rolling and using companies as springboards, but people who are stable, people who have gone into depth of what they do, not very flashy and superficial guys. Those guys will not really find a place here. They'll find themselves out of place. A lot that we've done in HR space, a lot of initiatives, but I'll talk about few initiatives which have taken deep roots over here over past few years that they've been doing this. One of them I would talk about is definitely learning and development. Learning and development has been a very strong point of Kalpataru. So we have 5 different levels of MDPs, and these are not just 1 or 2 day program, but these are programs which are run over 9 months, and there are certain set of people who get promoted or who join us laterally who are put through these long-term MDP programs. So it's a blend of classroom training plus coaching plus a lot of assignments that they need to do during this 9 months tenure. And this is basically to equip them to be very effective in their role. So this happens at all the 5 levels. So that's pretty strong over here. We also talk about a philosophy of bring your own learning, where people can actually get sponsored for certain certificate programs that they want to do, and the company would definitely share and sponsor them for those programs. So that's pretty strong. Other HR initiatives, if I have to talk about, would be the knowledge management portal, the knowledge tree, which is very well used in Kalpataru. And there, apart from the knowledge repository that we have, the leaders actually share their blogs. You can talk to the experts. There's a lot of knowledge sharing in the idea generation which takes place on the knowledge portal. So that's definitely something which is a strong point. Assessment centers are another area where we have identified the organizational competencies, we've mapped them, we've looked at the proficiencies level, and a lot of input for promotion as well as for development comes from the assessment center competencies. So that's something that we do pretty well over here. So I would say that people who would like to work for Kalpataru should be ready for challenges, professional challenges. Professionals will love to be here because you'll get stretched, you'll get challenged every day of your work.